to tell you a story. I did not choose teaching because it was simple. I chose it because of one special time. I was only 7 years old. I was in class. I looked at the math problem. I did not understand the numbers. They looked messy and hard. I felt small and a little afraid. My teacher saw me. He did not rush past. He came to my desk. He moved close to me. He smiled a very kind smile. "I am here to help you," he showed me with his eyes. He explained the math slowly. He used simple things to make the numbers clear. He stayed until I felt peace. I finally saw the answer. That moment changed my life. I thought, I want to give that help. I want to be the person who makes things clear for someone else. And today, I am that person. Every day, I walk into my school. I am a calm voice. I am a steady hand. I am a quiet promise to help. I cannot fix every problem, but I can make the path easier. I bring simple words. I give focused attention. I listen closely. Sometimes, just by being there, I help someone feel smart and safe again. This is my reason. Not for fame, not for quick results, just for care. If you have ever helped someone learn, you understand what teaching truly means. It is 6 a.m. My morning alarm sounds. I do not jump quickly out of my bed. I sit up. I take 3 slow, deep breaths. This is a new day for service. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with cool water. I eat a small, warm breakfast, a bowl of oatmeal, some fruit, and black coffee. Then I get ready. I put on my comfortable shoes. I wear my work clothes. I pin my name badge onto my shirt. It says, Emily, teacher. I pack my work bag, water bottle, my planner, a few colored pens, a book to read aloud to the class. Before I leave the house, I look at myself in the mirror. I say to my reflection, you are ready. Not perfect, not a superhero, just present, patient, and kind. This is what my students need most from me today. They need someone who truly sees them. I arrive at the school. I walk to my classroom. I turn on the bright lights. I look at my desk and the student chairs. Everything is ready. I greet my coworker. We talk about the schedule. We talk about the students' needs. We plan the small details. This one needs a reminder. That one needs more time for writing. We start the day not with machines, but with names and unique needs. The students come in. I greet each one with a smile. I ask them how they feel this morning. I watch them find their seats. I feel the energy of the room grow. My job is more than talking. It is about making a connection. I listen carefully to their voices. I listen to their silence. My attention is the most powerful gift I can give. It is time for our lesson. Today, we learn a new word. I write the word on the board. I explain the meaning very simply. I use clear, easy examples. I connect the new word to things they already know. I walk around the room as they write. I check their work. I see a student who is struggling. I stop at their desk. I do not touch the answer for them. I point to the example. I give a new clue. I give a gentle smile. I wait patiently. The student thinks. Then a bright light comes on their face. They write the correct answer. The feeling of that small success is important. Understanding brings quiet joy. We eat lunch. I talk softly with a few students. We talk about their pets and their games. Rest time is important for the brain. The afternoon comes. Sometimes the students are tired. They lose their focus. This is when I must use my deepest patience. I remind myself to move slowly. I remind myself to keep my voice low and soft. I believe in their ability to finish the day well. I give them a short break. I play a quiet song. This helps us all recenter. I see a student become frustrated with a math problem again. The numbers feel like a wall to them. I feel my own tiredness, but I do not show it. I take a hidden, deep breath. I try a new way to explain. I use a different color pen. I use a simple drawing. I never stop trying to find the key that opens their understanding. Every student deserves this effort. I teach with simple words because clear understanding brings peace to the mind. The school day is over. The bell rings. I watch the students leave, saying their goodbyes. My shift has ended. I take off my name badge. I change my shoes. I walk out of the quiet building. I think about my day. I saw every student with kindness. I taught the lesson with care. I helped someone find a hard answer. I listened without looking at the clock. I made someone feel important. No grand awards, no loud news. Just this quiet, steady work. But this quiet work changes lives every day. Being a teacher does not mean being perfect. It means showing up with kindness, showing up with patience, showing up with true belief in my students. If you ever meet a teacher, please say thank you. And if you are learning English, remember, words like simple, learn, and ready are your tools. Use them to make your own connection. What English topic should I teach next? Tell me what you need. Subscribe for more learning.